Okay, we're back. We're going to shoot the hood of that car, but this time we're doing it with the Crosman PumpMaster 760. Yeah, I'm not really showing you the whole rifle, but show you what we're using. That's the one plus I give this rifle over the other one. The other one's a single loader. It's got the good old clip. It's smaller. It says it's pretty good. 20 pumps. I lost that one in the book too. Oh yeah. Yeah, that one's gone. It's not even like sticking out of the book. It's inside. Wow, that's mean. Alright, so I'm gonna get a car of the same caliber. They have 3 in a pack. There's a couple like this. I'm gonna try it again with BBs. The same 2 rifles.